Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Watch me turn my daughter's hair from this to this in only 3 hours. So this particular style is called Loc Extensions, and basically this is good for people who don't want to wait years and years and years for their hair to lock up. It's just like an instant lock installation technique. So right here, I just separated the hair into two, and I'm going to sandwich her hair with the Loc extension. And all I'm doing is squeezing all 3 parts together, her top of her hair, the bottom of her hair, and the Loc extension. And I'm just taking the crochet needle and just going in and out, in and out. And basically what you're trying to do is just tangle everything. You're trying to get her hair entangled with the Loc extension. You're trying to get the Loc extension entangled with her hair. So it's really not a specific method so much, but it is a technique. Like, you have to go in and out and you have to turn. See here, to make it look like it's growing out of the scalp. So I'm going further on, and it's also best for the hair to be dry. So I got a lot done here, and I didn't film the whole thing because it's very, very time consuming. But here, I'm going to show you a different way that I did it. I twisted her hair, and the end is very puffy. So I just kind of wrapped the lock around her puffy end, and I'm using the crochet needle again. Once I get it all gathered together in my hand, I'm just going in and out, 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 in and out. Constantly you're going in and out. And you can turn a little bit as well while you're doing this. You're going in and out. And remember, the curvature of the crochet needle should be facing you. Now this one, I turned it around. You can go any direction you want, but to prevent yourself from getting injured, because I did injure myself, I was going too hard and too fast, and I ended up cutting myself a little bit. So you really want to be careful with doing this method, or you might just want to leave it to the professionals. But I know it's a lot of us that want to try new things and save a couple dollars. So I'm gonna just show you what I did with her hair. And like I said, I just turned, and I'm taking the crochet needle in and out, in and out. And all I'm trying to do is entangle her hair with the faux lock. And you can also, like, once you're thinking it's tangled enough, you can palm roll it as well to kind of like give it some form and shape. But like I said, it's up to you. It's not really, it is a technique to it, but it's not a universal technique. It's still art at the end of the day. So basically and you see how I took the needle, I'm going down, I'm going up now. So however you can get it tangled. And that's exactly what I'm doing, because you want everything intertwined with one another. You don't want any pieces left out or anything sticking out. Next, I'm going to take this French cognac from Adore to color her hair. This is how the color came out. And then you perform your lock maintenance. And all I did was spray her roots with some water. I'm using Hawaiian Silky for the roots. This is not the product I prefer to use. I prefer to use a natural product, but I don't have it on hand right now, so I'm just using what I have. And I just take each little section that's, it's a little saturated with water, and I put the Hawaiian Silky by the base of her lock, and I put it around basically like all sides, to make sure that it has product on it, so when you twist it, it could just lay nice and flat. And also for her edges, I use some of the Cream of Nature Edge Cream. That's also a product I really don't prefer to use, but that's what I had. So, yep. Also, if you want to have your lock maintenance done in one sitting, you would have to sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes to an hour, or more. It all depends on the thickness of your hair, the length of your hair, and everything. My daughter, she didn't want to sit under the dryer. She just was like, I'll just do it in the morning. So in the morning is when it was styled, and I will show you exactly what I did and how it came out after this. But I thank y'all for watching, cousins. My daughter is so gorgeous. Look at her. I love her. Please like, share, and subscribe. See y'all soon.